Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to scratch your nose without anyone noticing. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'm going to go over a few quick methods that you can use to scratch your nose without anyone noticing, okay? At the end of the day, I don't mind. If I was to see someone scratch their nose, I'm like, go ahead, scratch away. If your nose is itchy, scratch it up. Not a problem with me. But a lot of people find it gross. A lot of people find it impolite. So if you're in a group of people that you're not going to want them to notice that you're scratching your nose, these are some easy ways that you can do it. So it's very, very simple. I'm going to just go over, a few ways, and I just thought of these right before I started filming. So these are just quickly what came to my mind. So the first one is you can pretend to yawn, and as you're yawning and covering your mouth, and you can even really yawn, to be honest with you, because right now I have a yawn ready to go. So like when you're yawning and you're covering your mouth, you can just quickly scratch your nose as you're covering your mouth. So I'm going to yawn for real, and I'll scratch my nose kind of subtly hopefully without anyone noticing. So I'm going to yawn right now. As you saw right there, I know you saw my finger moving, but I could have made it even more subtle. It was just a quick nose scratch, just like that. The other one is that you can pretend to cough, or you can really cough, and then as you're coughing, because you're doing a movement when you're coughing, you can scratch your nose. So you can go... You probably didn't notice I scratched my nose at all, but as I was coughing, I went like this, and I scratched my nose. Very, very simple. The other one is you can rub your eyes, and as you're rubbing your eyes, right, if you're rubbing your eyes, like, I would move my glasses, and I'll rub my eyes like this. As I'm rubbing my eyes, I can use the palm to scratch my nose, just like this. So I'm rubbing my eyes, and the palm is just giving my nose a little scratch. Very simple. This one's a little bit harder to do, and you can even use another finger. So as I rub my eyes, I can use this finger to scratch my nose. Very, very simple. Okay? But it's hard to do, so what I would recommend is maybe try to not rub your eyes and scratch your nose at the same time, but maybe like give your eyes a rub, and then hold your fingers there and give your nose a little scratch separately, because it's hard to, it's hard to move your fingers or your palm at the same time, but differently as you're rubbing your eyes. So it's hard to scratch your nose and rub your eyes at the same time, because it requires different movements. But what you can even rub your eyes like this, right? And I just thought of this right now. If I'm rubbing my eyes like this, right? If I go like this, my pinkies are just scratching my nose a little bit, right? So I can go like that. That's the idea. Okay, something like that, but you can disguise it with rubbing your eyes. The other thing that you can do is just be very quick about it. So you could just, like that. You barely even notice it. And if someone is like, let's say you're in a presentation and everyone's like clapping at the person up ahead. Oh, a round of applause. That's the key time. Scratch away quickly. Get a couple quick scratches in. Just like that. When everyone's distracted, couple quick scratches. That's what you need to do. Okay? Very simple. The last thing is you can incorporate it easily and subtly while you're like adjusting yourself, let's say in your seat, or if you pretend like you're stretching your back or something. So like as I'm adjusting myself now, as I'm adjusting myself in my seat, I can scratch it just like that, right? Very quick, just like that. Okay? No problem. Like that. Quickly. So, it's almost like it's incorporated into the movement of you adjusting yourself in the chair, or maybe you're adjusting your standing position, or you're pretending to crack your back. Like that. A quick back crack. Like that. Pretending to stretch. Like that. Incorporate into like a movement already. And that's basically it. Those are the ways that you can do it. Like I said, if by any chance, I don't really encounter many viewers in real life. But if you're watching this video and you're around me, listen, scratch away. You got an itch in your nose, scratch, 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 scratch. Not a problem. But I know in some groups of people, they're like, oh, that's gross. Oh, I don't want to see that. That's impolite. Listen, if you're in that group of people, you can still scratch your nose. You just got to kind of disguise it. And that's what I've shown you and told you exactly how to do. And that's basically it. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this content. But yeah, other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the content, I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.